Struggling to come up with that next viral video idea? Feel like you're constantly staring at a blank page, trying to write the perfect script? You're not alone. Creating content that grabs attention and keeps people watching is one of the biggest challenges on YouTube. But what if I told you there's a secret weapon that can help you generate endless ideas, write compelling scripts, and even craft click-worthy titles in minutes? That secret weapon is AI. And today, I am going to show you exactly how to use tools like ChatGPT to supercharge your content creation process and finally go viral. So, let's dive right in. The journey to a viral video starts with a killer idea. But sometimes, your well of creativity runs dry. This is where AI becomes your ultimate brainstorming partner. It's like having a team of creative geniuses on call 24/7. So how do you do it? It's simple. You just need to give the AI a clear prompt. Let us say you have a cooking channel and your target audience is busy professionals who want quick and easy meals. You could go to ChatGPT and type something like, "Give me 10 viral YouTube video ideas for a cooking channel that targets busy professionals." The video should be about 10-minute recipes. In seconds, you'll get a list of amazing ideas. You might see things like 5 healthy lunch recipes you can make in under 10 minutes, the ultimate meal prep guide for a busy week, or one-pan dinners that will save your life. The key is to be specific in your prompt. Mention your niche, your target audience, and any specific constraints you have, like video length or style. The more detail you provide, the better the ideas you'll get back. This process doesn't just save you time, it can spark ideas you might have never thought of on your own, helping you tap into trending topics and viewer interests you might have missed. Okay, so you've got your viral idea. Now what? It's time to write the script. A great script is the backbone of any successful video. It structures your content, keeps you on track, and ensures your message is clear and engaging. But writing a full script from scratch can be incredibly time-consuming. Again, AI to the rescue. You can use the same AI tool to generate a full script for your video. Building on our previous example, you could use a prompt like this. Write a 1,500-word script for a YouTube video titled 5 healthy lunch recipes you can make in under 10 minutes. The tone should be energetic, friendly, and encouraging. Start with a strong hook, then present each of the 5 recipes step by step. End with a call to action asking viewers to subscribe and comment with their favorite quick recipe. The AI will then generate a complete script, often broken down into an intro, the main body, and an outro. It will include a hook to grab viewers in the first few seconds, clear instructions for each recipe, and a concluding call to action. Now, here's a crucial point. Don't just copy and paste the AI-generated script. Think of it as a very solid first draft. The magic happens when you inject your own personality. Read through the script, tweak the wording to match your voice, add your personal stories, jokes, and unique insights. This personalization is what turns a good, AI-generated script into a great, authentic video that connects with your audience. The AI does the heavy lifting, giving you a solid structure and saving you hours of writing time, so you can focus on what you do best, being you. You've got a fantastic idea and a well-structured script. Now you need to get people to actually click on your video, and that all comes down to the title. Your title is the first impression, and in the crowded world of YouTube, it needs to be irresistible. This is another area where AI can be a game changer. You can use it to brainstorm dozens of catchy, SEO-friendly titles in an instant. For our recipe video, you could try a prompt like, "Generate 10 click-worthy titles for a YouTube video about 5 quick and healthy lunch recipes." Use numbers, strong adjectives, and address a pain point for busy people. The AI will spit out options like these 5 healthy lunches take just 10 minutes, tired of boring salads. Try these 5 game-changing recipes, or the secret to healthy eating when you have no time. Notice how these titles often include key elements that drive clicks. They use numbers, which our brains love because they promise a clear, structured list. They use emotional or powerful words like game-changing, secret, or life-saving. And they speak directly to the viewer's problem, like having no time or being bored with their food. Experiment with different prompts. You can even ask the AI to write titles in a specific style, like generate 5 titles in the style of MrBeast to see how it approaches things. Your goal is to find a title that is not only intriguing, but also includes keywords that people are searching for. Finally, let us talk about the often overlooked but incredibly important parts of your video upload: the description and tags. These elements are vital for YouTube's algorithm to understand what your video is about and who it should recommend it to. A well-optimized description and tag set can dramatically improve your video's discoverability and SEO, and you guessed it, AI can write them for you. For the video description, you can use a prompt like, "Write a YouTube video description for a video titled 5 Healthy Lunches in Under 10 Minutes." Start by hooking the reader, then summarize the video content. Include relevant keywords like quick recipes, healthy lunch ideas, and meal prep. And with a call to subscribe and links to my social media, the AI will create a well-structured paragraph that not only tells viewers what to expect, but is also packed with keywords to help you rank in search results. For tags, it's even easier. You can simply prompt, "Generate a list of 20 relevant YouTube tags for a video about quick and healthy lunch recipes." The AI will provide a mix of broad and specific tags like healthy recipes, quick lunch, 10-minute meals, easy recipes for beginners, what I eat for lunch, and so on. This ensures you recovering all your bases and telling the YouTube algorithm exactly who your video is for. Using AI for these optimization tasks saves a ton of time and removes the guesswork, ensuring your amazing content actually gets found by the right audience. So there you have it, the complete blueprint for using AI to revolutionize your YouTube workflow. We started by generating a list of viral video ideas tailored to your specific niche. Then, we used AI to draft an engaging and structured script, which you can then personalize with your own unique voice. After that, we crafted irresistible, click-worthy titles designed to stop the scroll and get viewers to watch. And finally, we optimized our video description and tags to maximize our reach and please the YouTube algorithm. By integrating AI into each of these steps, you're not just saving hundreds of hours. You're creating a smarter, more efficient content strategy that can seriously boost your channel's growth. So what are you waiting for? Start experimenting with these prompts and see how AI can transform your creative process. I promise, once you start, you'll wonder how you ever made videos without it. If you found these tips helpful, do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more tips to grow your YouTube channel. And I have a question for you. What's the biggest challenge you face when creating content? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.